Hi, my name's Lucas. I'm the owner of a solar company down here in Melbourne, Victoria. We purchased these ReviewBoost cards a couple of months back. Greatest investment we've ever made into our business. As most people are aware, Google reviews mean a lot when a consumer's looking to sign up to a business, looking for a product or service from a business. They read their Google reviews. So it's so important that as a business, you get heaps of Google reviews, heaps of positive Google reviews. Great way to do that is through using these cards. So how these cards work, inside these cards is a chip. You can either have your customer tap the card, scan the QR code on the card, which links directly to your Google profile. Importantly, it enables a customer to actually pass on their positive experience in the moment. What we used to do as a business was a day or two after we went out and installed their solar system or delivered an electrical service at their property, we'd send them an email requesting for them to provide us with a Google review. Unfortunately, clients quickly forgot about that email and failed to leave us with a review, which left us a bit stranded. Instead, when we purchased these ReviewBoost cards, we can now go out to a client site, share the happy experience with the client, have them immediately scan the card or take a photo of the QR and leave a Google review on the spot. The old saying, strike while the iron's hot, is so true when it comes to Google reviews. It's so important to capture the Google review on the spot when the client's there so that they don't miss it later on. Since having these cards in our business and distributed amongst all our employees, we've seen a massive increase in the number of reviews that have been added to our Google listing. It's improved our Google ranking. It's enabled us to kind of promote it online and have more clients calling us and ultimately increasing the size of our business. So anyone that owns a services-based company or a product-based company, I totally recommend you buying these ReviewBoost cards. Will massively improve your business, improve and increase the number of Google reviews you have on your listing, and ultimately grow your business. Another thing to point out is when requesting a Google review, if you use these cards, often you can target clients that you know have had a happy experience with you. So they're likely to leave you a 5-star review rather than a 2 or 3-star review. So it's important that you capture reviews of the clients that have had a really positive experience. And to do that using this Google ReviewBoost card, it's a great opportunity to have those happy clients put down a review and provide you with a review and positive comments and have that loaded up online immediately. Rather than chasing or scatterbombing your whole client base trying to seek out reviews, and you're actually requesting reviews of clients that may not have had a great experience with you. These ReviewBoost cards are a great way of you controlling your Google reviews, controlling which clients leave you a Google review, and also controlling the number of Google reviews you get. I totally recommend you purchase some ReviewBoost cards, distribute them amongst your business. You'll see a massive improvement in the number of Google reviews you have and ultimately the growth of your business. Coding up these cards when you do receive them from ReviewBoost, it's really easy. They have a simple set of instructions that you follow, and then the chip inside the card is programmed and linked up to your Google listing or even another review listing that you may have online. It enables the card to act as that kind of mobile Google review space where you can just pass it to a customer, they can tap their phone or they can scan the QR code and bang, a Google review is on your listing and your business is growing by the second. Takes only a couple of seconds to do. Great way of improving your business, increasing the number of customers that come to your business. So thanks guys, I'd totally recommend ReviewBoost. Give them a go, they won't disappoint. Thanks guys.